welcome to ESV'S Panorama, your gateway to the latest trends and insights in Lagos and Nigeria's real estate space. Brought to you by the Nigerian Institution of Estate Surveyors and Valuers. Join us as we explore innovative solutions, market trends, and expert opinions shaping the future of real estate. Stay informed, stay ahead. This is ESV'S Panorama.
Welcome to another interesting and insightful session of ESV'S Panorama, where we discuss the latest trend and innovation in the real estate industry. Today, we'll be discussing a very important topic on property technology, popularly known as Proptech. And today, we'll be looking at the transformative impact it has on the real estate industry. My name is Estate Surveyor and Valuer Abiola Jibola, a member of the Publicity Committee. And here with me is a young, versatile estate surveyor and valuer who has a broad knowledge of real estate industry and technological advancement in the real estate world. Joining me today is a fellow of the Nigerian Institution of Estate Surveyor and Valuer. He is presently the Honorary Financial Secretary of the Lagos State Branch. Today, join me as I welcome Estate Surveyor and Valuer Ayodeji Odeleye. Welcome, sir.
Thank you so very much. It's a pleasure being here.
Thank you very much, sir. Today, we had said earlier that we're talking about property technology. Would like you to put us through what property technology is all about.
All right. Thank you so very much. Like you rightly said, Proptech is property technology, and they are the means by which we use information technology, for the activities we carry out in real estate, in the real estate industry, from property management to valuation, facility management, property marketing, and every other aspect of real estate activities that we carry out. So they are just a way that they help professionals, you understand, to do their business properly. So, and it's just, there are things that we use almost every day, but gradually they are becoming more pronounced in the industry, and it's necessary for professionals to begin to adapt and adopt those technologies.
Thank you very much, sir, for that insight on what property technology is all about. Now, can we know how property technology can affect our industry and estate surveyors and valuers as a whole? How can property technology affect us?
Thank you. Proptech is revolutionizing the real estate industry, and it's introducing advanced technology, to the various activities we carry out. It helps streamline our various processes as well. For estate surveyors and valuers, Proptech offers tools that make our work more efficient, and it helps us to also do our work faster. Proptech also helps us, for instance, the way we rent accommodation out is changing as a result of property technology. Like I said earlier on, the way we conduct property valuation is changing as a result of Proptech. So it also enhances our data accuracy. These technologies that enables professionals like us, you understand, to be able to provide better services. And one way or the other is affecting the way we, whatever we produce as services, to our clients. It reduces the manual errors that we make, and also it helps us to focus more on strategic decision making. By the time professionals start integrating Proptech into their activities, there are so many benefits to it. For instance, Proptech helps you to do remote property and facility management. Just from the comfort of your home, a tenant can tell you, "Oh, I have this a maintenance issue," and conveniently you can also analyze and assess it from your office or from the comfort of your home, and quickly send out a message to the artisan that would carry out the repairs. Yes, and then immediately once that is done, the tenant would conveniently tell you it's been sorted out, and it just makes life so easy. It also helps us in the area of property marketing. There's something we call virtual tours. Easily, our clients can, from wherever they are in the world, they can inspect or view a property virtually, and take a decision regarding that kind of property. It also helps us to reach a broader spectrum of clientele. Digital marketing is a good tool, which is one of the Proptech solutions that we also use in our industry, and it helps us to improve our client satisfaction. So the roles of estate surveyors and valuers is advancing as Proptech is also advancing, and it helps us, to serve our clients better.
Wow, it's a wonderful insight for estate surveyors and valuers. It helps us to really understand our markets and help us effectively manage our clients. And anywhere in the world, they can actually access whatever we have in our market. Wow, fantastic. Thank you very much, sir. Okay, sir. How can property technology really help us in the aspect of property valuation? How we can predict the market trends? Also, how basically we can make insightful decision in everything that we make. And also, could you give us an insight? You've spoken about a lot of trends. How data analytics, virtual reality can actually help the market as a whole.
Thank you very much. Data analysis is, a whole lot of a whole lot of aspects in our industry and in our profession. It is very, very crucial in modern real estate. For instance, just like the question you asked, property valuation, you try to analyze historical costs of a property. You try to look at, comparable properties in the market. And you also look at current market conditions of a neighborhood of a property or of a typical use or type of property in the market. And guess what? Proptech helps you seamlessly and effectively achieve all this in property valuation. You can, for instance, predict a market trend from whatever results you get from using Proptech. So predictive analysis can forecast market trends. It can help you know when to invest and where to invest. Predictive market helps you to examine patterns in the property sector. Are people moving out of this neighborhood? Are there new businesses that are springing up in this neighborhood? All these things affect property value one way or the other. And, by providing insights into demographic trends in the economic activities of a nation, consumer behavior, you can conveniently then decide as an investor or developer to say, I want to invest in this property. I want to invest in this type of property use. I want to invest in this neighborhood. Let me give you a good example of how you can analyze data, which is very simple. Every one of us, we are used to Google reviews. We are used to TripAdvisor's reviews. Yelp's also helps us to review. Do you know that as a valuer, you can pick some of those reviews, analyze it, and then say, okay, because of this trend, we are advising that this is the type of property use that you should invest in. or because, oh, so many people complain about a size of an accommodation, for instance, we can tell you to increase and adjust whatever development you want to, put into that neighborhood. So it has revolutionized everything we do, and it is essential for estate surveyors and valuers to begin to put into consideration these data analysis technologies that helps us, in our valuation and other areas of our profession.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. We really appreciate the insight you've given us on property technology and how it can help advance real estate markets and the industry at large. Okay, sir, you've discussed variously on how property technology can really impact the real estate industry. Now, I know that for every trend that come out, there are always risks and challenges. And we want you to really explain to us what's the risk and the challenges that the real estate industry would face, and estate surveyors and valuer as a person. Also, let's not forget that we still need this touch. Yes, we spoke about virtual reality, and that we can sit in the comfort of our home and spread the word broad to our clients. But we still need to have that interpersonal relationship with our clients. So let's not forget that we still need that touch. Please give us insight on the risk, like I said, the challenges, and how we should ensure that we still keep that personal relationship really effectively tapping into property technology. Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you. To be honest, we always say this, that change is the most difficult thing every human being wants to do. And, when professionals are already used to a certain way of doing things, it will be very difficult for them to change. But part of what I would say is that estate surveyors and valuers and professionals should be willing to relearn, unlearn, and learn. Whatever they have, learned way back in school, because we need to move with trends. Now, what are the major things they need to consider? Yes, Proptech might be the initial cost of using property technology might be ridiculous, might be exorbitant. But I would always advise that, once you are ready, and because, clients are demands, you just need, for you to stay relevant, yes, you need to, stay on top of your game and be ready to spend whatever, even if it is just wheeled measuring tape, just try to start saving and investing in these Proptech solutions. And I also know that there's also the aspect of, like I mentioned, learning, education. Be open-minded to ensure that, okay, you are ready to learn how to use some of these Proptech solutions. And regarding the risk, there's nothing you do with information technology that is not risky, especially in the area of security. You need to put measures in place. Maybe, information technology security, that will protect the data that you have online. Because, yes, Proptech would help you save a lot of things online, and you need to see and ensure that those data are secured. The other risk is that, in our nation, for instance, I know this is a global podcast, but I will speak about Nigeria. In our nation, you know that your internet solution providers, they are not as efficient as you would want to. Yeah. So you should be ready, be flexible enough to know that, okay, when internet is not working, I should be able to fall back on my traditional means of doing things, which is another risky part, So now, the way forward. You mentioned there's always this fear that Proptech will take the work of a professional. And I'm here to say that no, it's not so. Just like what you said about the interactive aspect of our business, Proptech cannot help you go and meet a client. It cannot help you with customer relations.
Yes.
It cannot help you with, to acquire briefs.
Mm-hmm.
You still need that human interaction, to balance whatever Proptech solution, you are putting in place for proper efficiency and effectiveness. So yes, no doubt, you need that interactive aspect. And I should also say, whatever analysis that you do with your data, there's still that human aspect, because you are the one there. The machine learning or the information you get from your Proptech, yes, would advise you, but you will still need to say, okay, objectively, that, okay, with the information I've gotten, how do I go about with this? So yes, Proptech will never take away our work. We just need to be to be ready, to ensure that we adapt, this technology with what we have already learned in our various schools, and then improve our services, which will make us better professionals eventually.
Thank you very much, Estate Survey and Valuer Ayodeji Odeleye. I really had a wonderful session with you. It has made me understand more about property technology and what it is to the real estate industry. You've really made us understand that property technology is not going to take away our business from us. It's going to help us better and make us a better profession at the end of the day. Thank you so much for giving us insight on the risk and the complications of technology advancement, and also the fact that we should try to learn more. We should not stay in our comfort zone, but rather we should move ahead and learn more things, allow technology take some things off us, and also ensure that we make impact in the real estate world. You've also taught us about how the real estate industry is going to be in the future, which we need to tap into. I really appreciate your comment. To our viewers, I hope you've enjoyed a wonderful session with our esteemed guest. And we hope you join us next time when we have another wonderful and insightful moment that we would be exploring another ESV'S Panorama in the nearest future. Join us in another edition of the ESV Panorama. Thank you very much.